Expressing yourself is the power to be you. Express Yourself Homes and the power to do it. There's no better place to do that than in your own home. It's a place where you can have friends and family and even a Fortress of Solitude. You can get a powerful resource to reach your goal to express yourself at the end of the video. The home is both a platform of expression and a place to nurture it. Express Real Estate Loan was created to empower you to express yourself. We are driven to get you the right loan to express yourself. Our team makes the possibility of buying a home a reality to many people who never thought they could buy a home. We find ways to make the homes affordable. Express Real Estate Loan works hard to find the lowest payment option. Express Yourself is our way to help you with the possibility of home ownership. Let's team up and make this happen. Get a free assessment and roadmap to express yourself now. Click the link in the description to get a free assessment and roadmap.